everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know it's been a while since I've been here. Yes, I forgot to film an intro, so you're getting this. I know, I'm scared too. Anyways, so towards the end of the video, I have a little surprise for you because honestly, you have been so understanding that I couldn't film or pre-film and upload a video since I had a cancer that I went to, and then I got sick, and then I had school, and I just couldn't upload, and I am so sorry for that. So I have a little gift towards the end of my video, so make sure to check that out, and you will see the look that I did for the cane set, and then you will get the vlog this Monday. Yes, I know I was supposed to do it together, but it just wasn't working out. Like, I had to cut too much stuff, so yeah, you're getting a tutorial today. Monday you will get the vlog of the cane set, and if you continue watching this tutorial, you will see the little gift that I got for you. So make sure that only one lucky person will get it. So I'm sorry, but there is a twist to this. If we make it towards a certain goal that I want, I will have 2 more giveaways, which I think you're gonna love a lot. So if we make it, you're going to be in for a surprise. So maybe there will be 3 lucky people, we'll see. So I will be double checking. All right, so before we go, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below and like my video. Okay, bye. I'm so ugly.
Find a daffodil. I can't help it. Wild, reckless, leave you breathless, tangled up in suit. I got thorns, wear them like a crown. I keep messing up things. I keep overthinking, following my instincts, but they're all wrong. I can't stop this cycle, making me go psycho. Voices in my head go, fuck, I always sabotage myself. This shit's always my fault and no one else. Cause I worry what they think of me, got me wasting all my energy. Yeah, I always sabotage myself, sabotage. When I feel low, the party's where I go.